Do you think you need years of experience to get better at drawing? And the quick answer is no. Today, I'm sharing 3 quick drawing exercises that can transform your drawing skills faster than you think. And here's the best part. They take less than 15 minutes per day. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to train your eyes, your hands, and also your brain so your drawings actually start looking the way you imagine them. Practicing lines, 5 minutes. First up is simply practicing lines. Focus on drawing lines using your whole arm, not just your wrist. Practice drawing diagonally, horizontally to vertically. Experiment with different lengths of line, its direction, to how you hold your pencil whilst drawing. Try holding your pencil using an overhand grip and underhand grip to how you would write. What's the difference in lines you can create with these different pencil holds? Practice tapered lines too, going from hard to light and light to hard strokes. Rotate your paper to make your drawing more comfortable. Why is this a key drawing fundamental? This exercise enhances control, precision, and fluidity in your strokes, laying the groundwork for more intricate drawings. Basic forms, 10 to 15 minutes. Think cylinders, cubes to cones. Take everyday objects around your home and break them down into these shapes. Pick simple objects like your phone, a coffee mug, or even your sock. If you were to draw a mug, I would split it up into an ellipse for the top, a cylinder, another ellipse for the base, and a circle for the handle. If I were to draw a book, I would draw it into a simple cube, but in perspective. This exercise sharpens your observational skills and helps you understand how to represent 3D objects on a 2D surface. Simple values, 10 minutes. I want you to draw a box like this. Don't worry if your box isn't in perspective or yours just looks a bit wrong. The focus here is on the values. Take that box and add different values to each side using a total of only 3 to 4 shades. Can you see you can make the box 3-dimensional by just using these values? Try this out with only 2 shades as well. This helps you see that values are crucial within drawing. Without shades and tones, a box and also a drawing can look flat. Try drawing boxes in other directions and using different perspectives, and shade each plane or side using a limited tonal value. You can also advance these boxes and study simple objects around your home. How can you split a book, a glass, or an apple into 3 or 4 values? This exercise enhances your understanding of light and shadow, how this forms 3-dimensional drawing, and brings your drawings to life. Try these drawing exercises every day for a week, and you'll be amazed about how quickly your lines, proportions, and your drawing confidence improves. Remember, it's all about consistency, so make sure you practice every day to see the biggest results. And I highly recommend you checking out this video coming up.